Elmo. Ganda ba ng tarpaulin mo? Para sa birthday mo yan. Para sa birthday mo. Na, kasama mo si Elmo sa tarpaulin. Na, happy? Happy? Happy, happy? Happy. Again. Happy si Lance? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lance.
Come on. Mamaya ulit.
Sino yan? Si Elmo. Ay, sino to? Sino to? Yan, sino yan? Si Lance nung first month ba? First month? Oh, fourth month ka niya, no? And then ito, baby ka, few days. Oh. And then ito, ilan taon na to? 9? Ay, nalukot na. Nalukot.
Ano ka? 11 months na siya.
11 months. Kausap niya.
That's you, baby. That's you. You're the baby, anak. That's when you were a baby. See how pointed your nose is when you were a baby? That's you now.
Happy? Happy? Asan si Elmo? Where's Elmo? Where's Elmo? Go! Oh, alam niya si Elmo eh, na. Elmo! Elmo!
Ganyan maglakad. Ganyan maglakad kanina to.
Tabingi.
Up. No, hindi daw. That's you, anak. Subuan. Akan nag-video. Subuan. Like it? You like it? You like it? You love Elmo. Sino yan? Come on, let's go. Let's go na. Magbabayad si mama ng siya. Stay there again.
Banatin mo, marago ka. Basta.
Dadan mo na kasi sa Daddy stay there, okay?
No, anak ko. Ano, look, gagamitin mo yun sa birthday mo.
Okay? Stay there. I like it. You like it.
Elmo! Again! Ah! Elmo! Elmo na, Elmo. Happy first birthday! February 23, 2008. Pero ang birthday nila, February 21. No. Wag anak, wag. Halika na. Lance, smile!